Hey everybody, it's week 2 in our monetization journey. So make sure that you like and subscribe to the video as the intro plays, and I will meet you on the other side for us to see how we did.
Welcome to Over Here We Craft, the channel dedicated to helping you turn your love of crafting into supplemental income. I'm DJ, a small business owner, a crafter, and low-key, an undercover foodie. Connect with me on Facebook and TikTok. Now let's get into this next video.
All right, so we are now looking at the analytics for the channel, and they're all green this week. I'm so excited and I'm so proud. Now, I know that there are going to be some people who say, girl, get yourself together. You only gained 7 subscribers. What are you so excited about? But I am going to celebrate every milestone along the way of this journey. And the fact that we now have a subscriber count of 12, that is double-digit subscribers for me. And I'm super, super excited about that. So we're celebrating this week. So in week 2, we look like we gained 58 more views and or an 81% increase over the last 7 days or since the last 7 days. We have an increase of 2 hours, a little over 2 hours in watch time. So a total of 207% more than the previous days, 7 days. So the last Sunday this time last week. And then again, we gained 7 more subscribers. So our live count for the last 7 days is we have a total of 12 subscribers. Yes, that is a long way from monetization numbers, honey, but that's quite okay. And so now what we want to do is go ahead and look at the last 365 days because this is going to tell us how close we are getting to where we need to be for monetization. So again, we know these first couple weeks are going to be a little bit trying, but we are going to have patience because this is not a sprint. This is a marathon, and we're going to continue to upload our videos. We're going to continue to improve in the quality of them and make sure that we're bringing the topics that folks who are looking to turn their love of crafting into supplemental income can find and grab these gems and these nuggets and suggestions and best practices and build their own supplemental income. So right now for this week, week number 2, we are super, super, super grateful. So let's go back out to the patio and hear the rest of my plan for what I'm going to do over the next 7 days.
All right, y'all. Now, I ain't saying we blowed up, but baby, we blew up 12 subscribers. I'm still so excited. I don't care. I didn't even think I was going to get 12, so you know I'm fired up. And is the bird trying to stop me from being great?
Yeah, Charlie.
Listen, if the bird want to subscribe, they can come on too, because we need a whole lot more than what we got. But again, we are grateful. So what did I learn this week in trying to increase my subscriber count? I definitely think I fully understand the importance of me finding the time to post and upload content so that when folks find me, they can subscribe. So I definitely know I learned that, and I'm going to do a better job this week. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to do 3 types of videos each week. Not just for this journey, but beyond. But I definitely think for this monetization journey. So obviously there will be our Sunday updates on where we are with monetization. We will have a business message video, probably something that I've learned, something that I want to share. I got a good one for y'all this week too. And then the third video that I think is really important is a craft video showing you all something that I'm doing or that I'm working on for my business Finer Deals and or my sorority sisters, because we have an event coming up on Saturday and I've got something that I've got to make for all of my sisters as a thank you to them for all of their support throughout this sorority year. So I think if I can maintain the consistency of 3 videos and probably 2 shorts, because I'm also trying to build the presence on TikTok. And I like doing really quick reels over there. So I think that if I do that, that will be a total of 5 different ways that the algorithm will know that my channel exists and hopefully share it with the world. Now, one thing that I also did this week that I feel like was a little courageous of me, and that was I tapped some of my nearest and dearest and said, hey, can you share? Now, my circle is small. Don't get me wrong. My nearest and dearest is not this big. It's a very small subset of women who are super encouraging and empowering, and I've been friends with for years. And so I asked them to share it with at least one other person that they thought would benefit from the information. And so I have no doubt that my squad came through, and that's how I was able to see the increase that I saw. So I'm definitely going to be courageous again this week. But y'all, this one is for real, because it's one thing to ask your squad of supporters to do something for you, but to ask your paying customers is quite another. So for the upcoming week, my plan for the full second week here is going to be my mailing list from Finer Deals. So I have almost 800 customers in my mailing list. And normally when I email them or send a blast out, it is with a coupon code or a new alert for a new release in my shop on my Shopify site. But I've never asked them to do something like follow me on YouTube or follow me on any of my socials, to be honest with you. So I think that what I'm going to do is I am going to do an e-blast to my mailing list after I get this week's videos up, and I'm going to ask them to please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now, the reason I say this is courageous is because I don't even know if any of them are on YouTube, watch YouTube, follow YouTube, or anything like that. But I figured if they loved my products enough to spend their hard-earned cash with me, they may be very interested in learning how I do some of what I do. Who knows? Some of them may be crafters themselves that want to turn their business into supplemental income, or some may just love to craft and just want to follow along and craft with me a time or two. So that's the plan for this week. We're going to get this video out and 2 additional videos and 2 reels for a total of 5, right? My Z5Bs know what that 5 means, right? So 5 things out. And then we're going to ask our customer base for my small business Finer Deals to like and subscribe to my channel. We've got to get to the 4,000 watch hours. So even if we get to our 1,000 subscribers, we still got to get 4,000 watch hours, which means someone's going to watch the video all the way through. So again, we've got our work cut out for us, but I cannot be more proud of myself after 1 full week of being dedicated to this. I came out of it with new subscribers and an uptick in my watch hours. So I know that this next week is going to be even more amazing. So
let's get into the message for the week. Mark Zuckerberg says the biggest risk is not taking any risk. In a world that's changing really quickly, the only strategy that is guaranteed to fail is not taking a risk. So get out there and be brave. Take a risk this week. Bet on you. I hope you found this video helpful. I hope that you enjoyed it and got something out of it. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye, everybody. Now, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And to all my money makers out there, you can do it. I believe in you. Now go be great.